876 Streets.
Good day, I'm Audie Cowan, aka Lizard, owner and operator of Lizard Automotive Works and Services. We are located at Spur Tree, Mandeville, Manchester. I can remember I started racing in 1999. I started racing. Professionally, I started professionally in 2000. In 2000, at Vernon Field. Over the years, well, I can tell you that I had some great challenges over the years, you know, because back then we were setting the pace back then, and we had man like Xavier, you know, we were working together and stuff, but he was one of my great rivals, you know. It's as if he was unbeatable, right? And we have Noel Roan. We have man like Williams, which he was out of my class, but I was always aspiring to reach his level, you know. There were quite a few other guys there, but those are the ones that stood out in my mind right now, you know. I really don't have a great rival now, because really and truly they are not really in my class. I was thinking about I have a list that I made that I need to sort out a certain group of men, you know, let them know what time it is, you know. So I have a what you would call a little list, you know, a shit list.
Now to your regularly scheduled program.
If you want to put it that way. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Now, on the bottom of that list, I had Roland on the bottom of that list, but I am going to move him up to the top, because, you know, my parents always tell me that you must always respect your elders. You understand? And he's moving a rather little bit rowdy. So I'm going to tell him howdy. Howdy! So I'm going to take this medium to let him know that he must be fit and ready. July, right? Because I'll be there and I'll be coming in full force and full effect, right? And he's saying something about 9 seconds. I hope he's not going to run 9 seconds, because that means he won't be in my class. But if needs be, I would step down to him, you know? Drop off the 8 and go back up to the 9, just to deal with him.
Nice.
And there's a little gentleman over in the yonder there, on the Ochi side there, by the name of Mr. Dwayne Porter. I want to tell him to relax himself. He just come in. I don't want to hurt him in his show. Howdy! Well, I must say that it would be 2016 where I won the 10-second championship at NDRC. You understand? Before that, I also won 11-second championship at Jamwest, 10-second championship at Jamwest, numerous 11-second races, 12-second races, 10-second races. It's so much that I can't even remember all of them, you know. But I have trophies from here, you know, a whole lot, uncountable. For July, I'm working on a little project, you know, because I tell you that I have something there for Mr. Roland Crawford and Mr. Dwayne Porter. I am working on a K-series bill, and it will be finished well in time for July, right? I see Mr. Porter putting up a whole lot of pictures of his bill and stuff. I just want him to know that when I look in it, I only see quarter of what is supposed to be there. Damn! So I'm going to let him know that he just needs to relax himself. July, he'll see what is really coming and what is really hurting.
But long time today.
Well, I tell you, I have been in the business for quite a while. Right? I started working professionally in 2000. Right? I've been doing this work before that, but professionally I started in 2000. And it is always, you always find challenges, but it's the way how you go about it to get it started out. Well, it is said that we are sometime last minute, you know. It is nothing for us to get up and build an engine 2 days before race, dyno, go out there, do the time, right, and it's unbeatable. You know, so challenges are always there, but it's adaptation, how you adapt yourself to it. My best quarter mile time to date is 10:4. I did it in a 1998 Honda Civic K-Series motor. Had a lot of traction issues, had to be turning down the power. So I have never really seen the true potential of that car, because that car made like 830, and we keep on have to be turning it down to get the car to run, because as we know, in Jamaica, the track preparation is crucial in running the time, especially in a front-wheel drive vehicle.
Alright, Audie Cowan in the Civic.
Well, at the end of this drag season, end of this year, I'll be running the fastest 4-cylinder car in Jamaica. That is what I hope to achieve.
How are the man?
Yeah, well, sponsors, I have to big up Right Care Pharmacy, that is located in Junction Pines. B-Mall Auto, they have sponsored me and helped me to fulfill my dreams, and it's just a pleasure working with them, right? And I am hoping, right, that at the end of this year, all my sponsors will be proud. Yes, I also want to say thanks to all my clients that has been behind me 100%. You know, it would be pointless for me to call all the names at the moment, you know, but just a few. Dr. Carl Wright, Dwayne Wright, Dr. Corey Neal, Kenty Racing Family, you know, Delano, Fraser, my brethren, you know, Andrew Morgan, you know, all of us pulled together. There are so many people out there that push me. Johan DeCosta, all of them push me to reach where I am today. And I just want to give them a big shout out and thanks. Alright. Now, they call me a dinosaur. You know, forgotten. But I have something to tell them, you know. Because I can tell you this. My mother always tell me something. She said it's pointless to see the door open and jump through the window. Now some guys are talking a whole lot of stuff, right? They are jumping through the window and the door is open. I've been doing this mechanic work for quite some time. I have had a lot of success in all areas. In racing, you know, in drifting, you know, we go through everything. Sports, luxury, you name it. I work on everything. You understand me? And I hear some comments that are being made and stuff, and I want to tell a few of these guys, right? Especially Mr. Crawford, right? Mr. Roland Crawford, that this July, I want you to be there. I'm giving you a personal invitation. anything that you need, I will help you to get down there. Right? Because I'm going to let you know that this thing is much more, right, than having the money. It's about the experience and the knowledge to take on this whole racing fraternity. You understand? I'll let you know what is happening. Dwayne, Porter, line up yourself. Your time is knocking very close, right? So come this July, remember, you got to be there. I remember I used to run Nissan Pulsar back in the days and I run right through unbeatable and steppable, you know. You ready? You ready? Run it. Bossy. You ready? Bossy, I want one for Instagram. I want you to drop one for Instagram immediately. Yes. Unfortunately, on March 31st, Drag Rivals 2, my car won't be finished to make that event. Right? But I want to let you know that I'll be there live and in living color with other cars that are built by laws. Right? I have a surprise for some of them down there. I have a 10-second car that will be there. We'll be running that time effortlessly. So we'll be there. I have a couple 11-second cars there as well, 12-second car there as well, you know. So we'll be there in full force, you know. Kenty Racing, we are always up to the challenge, you know. We are not complaining. We love the whole competition and stuff. So if you are up to the task, we don't have no problem. We work with you. You understand? So come out, family, friends, everybody, you name it. 876 streets, big up yourself. Don't be late. 31st, remember, up.